Hi guys, good morning everyone. Another day, another beautiful moment to spend at the clock. O, diba? Ang ganda. Wala lang. Pasyal-pasyal lang. Ang ganda talaga ng place. So, hindi ko talaga ma-explain. This was the most momentous moment I spent there. Oh, grabe akong ka-enjoy. Ayun, palakad-lakad lang po. First time na ako naglakak. Oh, grabe akong ka-enjoy. Good, promise. Kaya may ilang foods. During a time kay we're about to manguli na ata mi. O nindot kay ang place. Nindot pod ang room na pagstayhan.